Imagine a strategy where you can consistently make profits using crypto futures with leverage. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest and most effective approaches that not only helps you earn, but also keeps things stress-free and easy to manage. This is the perfect strategy for those who want to confidently trade the market and take advantage of the opportunities that futures offer. Right now, I will walk you through my real trades and show you how you can easily apply this in practice. But the best part is, this strategy delivers real results. If you follow the simple rules, you can steadily build profits even with a small starting capital. Stay tuned until the end because you will not want to miss a single tip. If you want to get the same kind of setups I use and stay updated with my thoughts on the market, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. There I share my entry points for the most promising projects, reveal my results and discuss how to navigate the current market conditions. It's completely free, so you have nothing to lose, while I get the motivation to bring you even more quality content and trading ideas.
So guys, let's dive into the description of my trades. The strategy was the retest of broken level. Let me show you how you should trade this. It's absolutely simple strategy. First, we should select the instrument, the in-play instrument with higher than average volumes. You can use different screeners just to select the coin that is being pumped. And we trade along the core movement, along the core trend. Here we had the small consolidation with the breakout of local level. We broke this consolidation and we just made a kind of maximum where most participants started to fix their profits that brought back this price to the broken level, and here is our entry point. Here we open a long trade expecting the continuation of this movement. Continuation of this movement, renew of this high, the new consolidation with further breakout of this structure. So what do we have finally? We have really good risk-reward ratio. It means that we lose $1 against $6 profit. We place our stop loss a little bit below this entry point, below retest level, in the middle of this consolidation, and take profit above the maximum where price pulled back. I mean somewhere here. So the situation is really clear, the idea is really clear. Let's watch. Here is our entry point, here we have stop loss, here we have take profit destination, and here we have profit, current profit in dollars. Here I placed additional orders for purchase. Because when the price skyrockets, breaking this level, we usually have impulsive movement. That's why here I will probably add the position for $4,000 more. Here we have activation of my orders for purchase. And I'm expecting the breakout, impulsive movement. I increased the position to $30,000, and I'm expecting the scenario I showed you at the very beginning of this video. That's it. That's what I expected, the impulsive breakout. I started to fix my profits, and more than 80% of my position is already fixed. So I finally made more than $1,000 on this trade. Another trade, SAT-USDT, the idea was to take a pullback from this level. Here we had really impulsive movement, very strong and really long. Then I see the signs of weakness of buyers, and at this level I expected the pullback. Because according to tape I see that buyers are getting weaker and weaker. I decided to open short trade here to catch a pullback really strong, because the price has been moving upwards for too long. Here I placed my stop loss, and I expected the movement to cover at least the half of this trend. My take profit were here. Let's watch. That's a kind of pullback. I usually prefer trading during a really active American session. The feature of this strategy is that it brings you as well really good risk-reward ratio. I removed stop loss in a break-even point already, as you see. My stop loss is already in green zone. When you have a pullback, you open the position, you have a instant pullback, and you should have instantly move your stop loss in break-even point, in green zone. In case there will be the sharp movement of continuation of this trend, you will be closed at zero with absolutely no risks. I see that the price is reversing towards the continuation of this movement, and I decided just to fix all the profit, about $200. That's very simple.
So if you want to use these simple yet powerful strategies and get fresh trading ideas from me, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. I regularly post my thoughts on the most promising projects, share my entry points, and most importantly, show my results. It's completely free, so there is nothing to lose, but a lot of valuable insights to gain. Plus, it motivates me to continue providing more setups for you. Let's conclude. As you can see, making money with crypto futures isn't that hard if you have a clear strategy and discipline. By using leverage, you can significantly boost profits even with small market moves. The key is to manage your risks carefully and know when to lock in your gains. I hope that my trade breakdown and simple strategy will help you on your path to success. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to catch all my latest ideas and setups. The crypto market gets more exciting by the day, and those who are prepared will make the most of this volatility. Good luck with your trading, and remember, it's not about emotions, but clear calculations and discipline. See you soon.